Welcome back to Typist's Tutor, where we provide tips and tricks for typing, tech, and AI enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 useful AI extensions for everyone that can make your life easier. 1. WebChatGPT. WebChatGPT gives your ChatGPT with internet access. It augments your ChatGPT prompts with relevant results from the web. This free extension adds relevant web results to your prompts to ChatGPT for more accurate and up-to-date conversations. 2. TLDV. TLDV is the best ChatGPT alternative for meetings. You can make your meetings 10 times more productive with this incredible tool. Calls can now be recorded in a way that has never been possible before thanks to the TLDV meeting recorder for Google Meet and Zoom. With the TLDV AI Chrome extension, you can record any Google Meet calls insights in high-quality sound and video. You can immediately see recordings, and you'll also receive a transcript of your video. To timestamp, modify, or distribute your recordings, use TLDV. Google Meet is automatically recorded and transcribed for free. 3. FinalScout. FinalScout. Turn LinkedIn into your email lists with this email search extension powered by ChatGPT. With the FinalScout AI Chrome extension, you can either click a button to get the company email address for every LinkedIn profile, or scrape LinkedIn profiles with emails from LinkedIn search results. Also, there are click and copy buttons that let you create personalized emails for each use case and get the email address from any LinkedIn profile. With FinalScout, your emails are entirely authenticated, and you extract valid email addresses from LinkedIn with ChatGPT, guaranteeing up to 98% email deliverability. 4. ChatGPT Writer. ChatGPT Writer is a free AI Chrome extension to generate emails and messages using AI. It is a Gmail Chrome plugin that utilizes ChatGPT to generate emails or responses to your questions. You only need to log into OpenAI to use this Chrome extension. The extension must then be opened by clicking on it. The email's subject or content is then requested in a context-filled input box. If you're reacting to a previous conversation, please give some context. It works on all sites. It works even better in Gmail. 5. Podcastle. Podcastle is an AI-powered audio creation platform. It can help you record and edit podcasts easily. The Podcastle AI Chrome extension reads the content of a given web page and creates a podcast from it. It records in studio quality and edits with AI in minutes. Users can use this plugin to convert every word they type into audio so they can read publications or listen to the news on the go. You can create your playlists and distribute them to others. 6. Otter Ai. Otter Ai is the finest AI Chrome extension for the transcription of meetings, chats, and video conversations. It employs a machine learning system with AI to instantly transcribe any video, conference call, or meeting. The machine then further edits this transcript to create flawless sentences and divide the material for each speaker. 7. YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. Using OpenAI's ChatGPT AI technology, the free Chrome extension YouTube Summary with ChatGPT enables you to instantly obtain a summary of the YouTube videos you are currently viewing. Also, while exploring YouTube videos, you may view and access the video summary by clicking the summary buttons on the thumbnail of the movie. Use this plugin to learn more quickly and efficiently. 8. ContentBot. ContentBot is another plugin that employs AI to assist writers, similar to Grammarly. ContentBot is like ChatGPT with superpowers. The plugin works as a content writer and SEO expert to create excellent material that will help you attract more visitors to your website. The program may produce social media updates, ads, blog content, blog topic ideas, intros, paraphrasing tools, and much more. It is a fantastic AI Chrome extension. 9. Quillbot. Quillbot is a paraphrasing AI website that rewrites everything for you in seconds. Using Quillbot, you can write more efficiently, with fewer words, and with better thought organization. Choosing the right synonym, Quillbot helps you select the best keyword every time, thanks to an integrated thesaurus feature that makes altering individual words straightforward. It provides information about your writing tone and style. Verify your work for grammar and punctuation errors. Also, it helps with the comprehension of difficult or complex texts. 10. HyperWrite. HyperWrite is a personal writing assistant that creates content for writing ideas, greatly simplifying the work of writers. The plugin makes suggestions for the right words and phrases to finish your sentences based on the content of the text. On their website, HyperWrite created a text-to-image section in addition to the writing aid feature. In conclusion, these 10 AI extensions can greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency in various areas, such as typing, meetings, email writing, podcasting, content creation, and more. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can automate mundane tasks, generate high-quality content, and streamline your workflow. Whether you are a student, a professional, or an AI enthusiast, these extensions can help you achieve your goals faster and with greater ease. So why not give them a try and see how they can transform your work and life? Thank you for watching this video on 10 useful AI extensions for everyone. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information about these extensions, and to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on typing, tech, and AI. And if you think this video would be useful to someone you know, feel free to share it with them. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.